the truth, right? AI is super high on the hype cycle right now. If you read about AI, you'll see a lot of different things, right? One, AI can do everything. Did you know AI can create you a month of social content in 1 hour? I mean, that's probably true, but it'll suck. It's not untrue. It can create you 30 social media posts almost instantly. They're not going to be any good, right? A lot of the things you hear are things that, sure, they can be done, but they won't be done well. The second thing you hear is people saying, oh my gosh, look at this new AI. I saw an article on like a top news site, and it was about AI, and it was about an AI machine in Las Vegas that was mixing drinks. People, this is just a machine. Machines have been around a long time. You don't need AI to have a robot to make someone a drink. So it's really high on the hype cycle. So what we want to do is sort of separate, okay, what can AI realistically do for us? And how should we be thinking about it today and in the future? First, I have a question for you. By what % do you think productivity increases when people use AI? So it depends on where you look. But many of the studies show really significant productivity increases from using AI. A simple way to think of it is like this. Let's say we're each writing a report on something, and you use Google and I don't. Who's going to have a better outcome? Who's going to get there faster? Someone using Google. Are you going to copy Google and paste it? No. Right? But it's a tool that accelerates you. And that's where the productivity benefits come from, is it's a tool that can accelerate you and your human brain thinking. An interesting study looked at productivity, and they said it had a 14% productivity boost. But what I liked the most about this headline is it said, it's not that AI is replacing people, it's that people who use AI are going to replace people who don't use AI. You can substitute people for the word businesses. So the key to success here isn't thinking AI is going to write your social media posts. What it's really about is looking at it strategically and understanding how it can fit to accelerate and support some of the things that we're already doing. Because there's definitely no question when you look at the data that it is giving people better results faster. So I talked about productivity, right? It speeds us up. But does it do things better is the next question. So what do you think? By what % does AI actually improve our results? Over 25% or under 25%? Some studies show up to 18% improvements in results just by using AI. Another study rated the quality of outputs out of 5 stars, and it was 3.8 without AI and 4.5 with AI. But here's the key. In none of these studies is it AI alone against a human being, right? Is AI accelerating human beings? And that's really a key part of it, right? Especially when you look at some of the ridiculous results I've showed you. I showed you that weird image, right? AI is everywhere. Obviously, you can't just take what it spits out and use it, but in a lot of instances, if you use it well, it can accelerate you. So AI is associated with faster results and better results.